Good day. I just want to share this amazing, encouraging dream that I had this morning. In the early hours, I woke up and I was lying in bed and just talking to the Lord. And as I fall into this slumber, I had this dream. It was so amazing. I was like in a shopping center, standing next to a till, and just a few steps away from me, standing another guy, also by a till. And the moment our eyes connect, the tills disappear. It's as if we stand in an empty building. And I said to the guy, just remember, every step closer to Jesus is a step closer to eternity with Him. And he looked at me and he looked up and he said, but He can also come by the end of the month. And this is like, for me, such an encouraging dream, because not that it is the end of the month, it is like an urgency, as if the Lord said to us, listen, my coming is closer than you really think. Make yourself ready, be prepared, because you do not know the hour that I will come, but you will not be caught as a thief in the night. So I hope this encourage you. All I can say is stay blessed, stay focused, stay strong, but most of all, looking for the blessed hope, the soon return of our great God and Savior, Jesus Christ, the Messiah. Our King is on His way.